Friend, if you are also find the OK button beneath the captcha or I'm not reboot, but there is a no OK button and you can't move to the next page, here is the solution. Like this, I'm request review and there is a no, I'm clicking on I'm not reboot, there is a no OK button. So how you can bring the OK button? Right click and click on inspect. In the next window, click on here is a laptop icon, click on over here, and then you have to click on the right left top. There is a dimension responsive. Okay, you will see the screen is minimized and OK button is appear. Okay, or next, anything you want. Now you have to click on this icon and close the window, and now you have to move, you have moved to the next screen. So here is that you can remove this issue. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.